Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox crash and unexpected error occurred problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution consists of four steps. First step is to delete Roblox cache data. To do this, go to search menu and type run. Click on open it. Type here percentage local app data percentage again. Click on OK to open up. In here search for temp folder, double click on it. Search for Roblox folder, right click on it and delete it. After deleting this folder, just close stuff here. The second step, you just need to open up Chrome, click on the three dot icon and select settings. Select privacy and security. On right side, select third party cookies. Scroll down and select see all site data and permissions and search for Roblox. Click on the trash icon and delete it. After deleting it, let's move on to the third step guys. Third step, you just need to right click on the Roblox player and select properties. Select compatibility tab and checkmark run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Select apply and OK for save changes. The fourth step, you just need to open up GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then you just need to check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, you just need to open up the AMD software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After doing it, just close stuff here. Now you can launch the Roblox player and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. To do this, you just need to open up Chrome and search for Geek Uninstaller. Click on the Geek Uninstaller site. Select the download option and download it. Select the zip file. After getting download done, you just need to select the folder icon. Right click on the geek.zip file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to double click on the geek.exe and select yes. In here you just need to scroll down and find Roblox player and then right click on it and select force removal and select yes. Now select the finish option to delete all leftover files. After getting done, just to close off here. Now you just need to open up Chrome and search for Roblox download. Select the download Roblox site. Select the download Windows app. After getting download done, you just need to click on it and install it. After getting installed done, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.